The benefits of using a crane truck. The uses of a crane truck are practically endless. Here are some of the top benefits that come along with using one. Mobility. Since these trucks are motorized, they can be moved around the site with ease. This means that if you have to move large objects from one location to another, these trucks will be able to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Lifting capacity. These trucks are powerful machines capable of lifting heavy loads with minimal effort. This makes them ideal for a variety of applications, from construction to landscaping. Versatility. Not only can they lift heavy objects, but they can also be used to move items in different directions. This means that you can easily maneuver around tight corners and even reach difficult places with ease. Safety. These trucks are equipped with a variety of safety features, including outriggers and counterweights. This ensures that your load is stable and secure during transport, reducing the risk of accidents occurring on site. Whether you're working on a construction project or simply need to move something from one place to another, these trucks will get the job done quickly and safely. Take advantage of the many benefits they offer today. To learn about truck wash hacks, check out our previous video.